Malungkot pero meron namang bright side din. No? We played them 2 games na parehong dikit, parehong may chance kaming manalo. Improvement pa rin ito kasi natatandaan ko doon sa last conference namin na nakalaban namin sa series. Medyo pagdating ng endgame, malayo kami. So, subok ulit sa Sunday. Palapit ng palapit baka sa Sunday maungusan namin, no? But we're disappointed, but at the same time we feel na may chance dito sa series even if we're down 0-2. We can get better. We can get better definitely. Nung first game namin, mainit si Jason at si Calvin. Medyo na-contain namin today, pero si RHJ naman ang gumanda yung laro. Sa amin naman, it's a one possession game. Yung tira ni Adrian could have made a difference. We would have gladly gone into overtime. We had the advantage of an import. We were just trying to get to overtime lang naman. Palagay ko must win kami sa Sunday. Pag di kami nanalo ng Sunday, baka mahirap na makabalik dito sa series na to. If we want to keep this series alive, we have to win on Sunday.
Coach, can you just talk about how frustrating was it na walang RHJ and Jason sa TNT, yet you guys were not able to capitalize sa disadvantage?
Yes, andun yun. Pero kasi, I think they were leading by 13 points nung nawala na sila. Nawala si RSJ, nawala si Jason, pero plus 13 sila. So yun ang kailangan mo habulin. Iba yun kung nawala sila na parehas kayo, lamang lang ng 4 o 5, pero kung lamang sila ng 13 points, malaki-laki yung cushion nila bago nawala yung dalawa. So mahirap ding habulin. But in spite of that, we gave ourselves a chance with the last possession. So, sabi ko nga, one possession game ito. Kahit yung last game namin, one possession game kasi kung makashoot ka ng 3 points, ng 4 points nun, overtime na. We're building up on our playoff experience. Kailangan mo talaga daanan nito Kamukha kanina, I felt yung last play para kay Adrian, kasalanan ko rin. Nung dinesign namin yung play, hindi ko nasabi sa kanya, i-drive mo na lang. Pwedeng i-drive mas malaki chance ng layup pumasok kaysa doon sa pull up jump shot. So, siguro in-assume ko na nung dinidesign namin yung play, pag nakuha niya, kasi yun ang ugali naman ni Adrian, na atakihin niya talaga Dapat pala sinabi ko na atakihin mo to, i-drive mo. Nagulat ako, bigla siyang nag-pull up. So anyway, my mistake. I should have been more specific dun sa pag-diagram ko ng play na pagbigay ng instructions. Frustrating, but at the same time, we're still in this series. I think I'm not sure about the injury of Jason, pero nangyayari talaga yan sa series, and malaking break yan kung sakaling either ma-minimize yung minutes niya or baka kailangan siyang ipahinga. I think that's one thing we can take advantage of.
Coach, may tapang na ba yung players mo in the end game?
Meron na. The mere fact na you're playing champion team with steep tradition and you're bringing them into an endgame situation every time. Ang laking bagay nun. No? So, disappointed ako pero nakikita ko na lumalaban yung team, matapang yung team. Meron lang talagang mga, I won't call them rookie mistakes, but meron lang talagang mga lack of experience mistakes. Pagka nagkaka-experience ka, mas tumitibay ka sa end team.
Coach, yung challenge ko kanina, was it doon pa lang gusto nyo na i-challenge or was it chinik nyo muna? Yung napaulaw si
Yung buong coaching staff ko was was adamant in telling me na i-challenge namin. No? Tapos from afar nagko-communicate si Kaylan sa akin, no, na naka-vertical lang siya, no? And it was a crucial play, so I would not mind losing my challenge in that situation. So kailangan talagang i-challenge kasi pag binigay mo sa kanila yon, wala kang ginawa, mas lalong mahirap humabol. Turning point yun. That was actually a turning point.
Which they were saying kasi na parang after napakita sa big screen yung challenge.
Kasi wala akong alam na rule na gano'n na na pag naipakita hindi mo pwedeng i-challenge. Ang rule natin, ang alam ko, is basta dead ball pa rin. Wala pang nangyayaring subsequent na action, pwede mo i-challenge. Pag inabot na nung referee yung bola at nag-start na yung nun, wala ka lang habol. No? Pero mahaba yung dead ball situation, it is within the rules. Wala naman sinabi na hindi mo pwedeng i-replay, hindi mo pwedeng panoorin kasi meron din naman kaming mga mga gadgets to see that right away. Hindi naman bawal yun. So, I don't know. Siyempre, bias ako pero yun naman ang pinanigan ng ng technical committee. Wala naman na pag-usapan doon na pag may nasilip ka ng replay. Kasi lahat naman kami sumisilip sa replay. Pagka meron lang ilang seconds na pwede mong silipin. I think that's up to the technical committee. Okay?
Thank you, Coach.